Yoga has found its way to Wall Street. Welcome to TheStreet.com TV. I'm Farnoosh Torabi. We're talking about LuLuLemon. You may not have heard of it, but it is a big story on Wall Street. The company recently IPOing, and for more on this hot stock is Tim Sykes, founder of Cilantro Fund. Tim, haven't seen you in so long.
It's been a while.
All right, you really like this stock, and moreover, this whole entire company and the brand that it is.
Yeah, I love the merchandise. It's just cool and futuristic. You know, we were talking about Under Armour before. This is like Over Armour. You know, they're not into the whole aggressive, big, muscular people. This is about Zen. This is healthy living.
Does Zen and healthy living necessarily translate into a strong bottom line, good sales, good stock? The stock is a little down from its recent IPO.
Well, let me tell you this. They've gone from $5 million to $150 million in revenue in 4 years. You know, stores, they only have 75 stores, so they're not huge yet. They IPO'd to raise money to expand. You know, they came out at $18 last Friday. They're at 30. They're off their highs of 33. They're a $1.8 billion company, so the street is expecting big things, and I think that they can come through.
If they were to expand really rapidly, would you be concerned? Or do you like the growth that they've had so far? They're very organic. They started in Canada and Vancouver in the late 90s, and really their move over to the United States has been relatively slow when you think about other companies that sort of just really roll it out really fast.
Yeah, I like that they're taking their time. You know, I was really interested in Jamba Juice. They tried to expand. I love the Jamba Juice shakes, and that stock has done nothing, okay? So I like the fact that they take time. You know, they're growing like they're thinking. So I appreciate that. And I mean, 75 stores, how many stores can you have? 1,000?
And
I mean, there's huge growth ahead.
There's continents they haven't even hit yet. Europe, Asia.
There's huge growth ahead. It is an expensive stock. Remember that, because people have big expectations.
So what's the strategy right now? If you were to go approach this stock, do you buy a ton of it? What do you do?
I say buy a little now, you know, let's see how it does. It's only 5 days old as a stock.
Right.
So buy a little now, see how it does, you know, and then just see how it goes. We still have to wait and see how they're reporting earnings and stuff like that, but the growth has been there in the past. I think it'll be even greater in the future.
All right, that's Tim Sykes on LuLuLemon. The ticker is LULU. How ingenious is that?
LuLu, baby.
I'm Farnoosh Torabi. Thanks a lot, Tim Sykes. You're watching TheStreet.com TV. Don't go away.